I am Dr. A. Balamurugan, Professor, Department of Tourism and Hospitality Management, Bharat Institute of Higher Education and Research, Chennai, 73. Happy morning, dear students. Our course code is U18P CCC 601. The course name is Food Production and Petition 5. The topic is force meat, panada, compound butter, marinade and brine, aspic jelly, chard fried sauce. These title how to prepare the dish and how we can use in the kitchen. What are the benefits and what are the recipes? In this particular topic, we'll learn about the force meat, importance of force meat, and meaning of force meat, uses of force meat, types and recipe. The same way, panada and compound butter, marinade, brine, aspic jelly, chard fried sauce. These are all what is the meaning, what is the uses of these preparations, what are the different types of preparations and recipe. Okay, now we are going to the class. Okay, force meat. Force meat are ground mixtures of meat, poultry, or fish combined with the fat and seasoning and other flavoring ingredients. This is a force meat. Force meat means ground mixtures of meat, different kinds of meat, either poultry or meat or fish all together, or even single meat with the fat, seasoning and other flavoring ingredients. The mixtures are used in the pate, terrine and sausage, as well as for filling of ravioli and wontons, and they can be prepared the quenelles also. So these are all used for the different preparations of varieties of the chakutes. Okay, this is a force meat galantines. Okay, then definition of the force meat. One of the basic components of sakute and godmonger items, it is a preparations known as a force meat. A force meat is a learned meat and fat emulsion that is established when the ingredients is processed together by grinding or sieving and puring. These three methods we are using for preparation of force meat. Depending on the grinding and the emulsifying method and is indent used for the force meat may have a smooth consistency or maybe a heavily textured and coarsely fine chopped. The result must not be just a mixture but in the emulsion so that it will hold together properly when sliced. The force meat should have a rich and pleasant taste and feel in the mouth very soft textures. What are the uses of force meat? Force meat are used in the preparation of various cold dishes such as a pate, terrine, galantine, ballantine, quenelles, roland, mousse and mousseline, etc. Okay, what are the uses of force meat? Pate from old French term of paste, meaning of paste. Then terrine from the Latin word, it is called terra. That means earthware. Galantines mean coming from the French terminology is a gallant, the meaning of gracious or showy from the French term. Is a called meaning of chicken. Ballantines means coming from Italy, bella. It's a meaning for ball. Quenelles from Alsacians. From this is a French terminology, quenelle, meaning of dumpling. Dumpling means a small dosa like that. Rolande from the French terminology is a ruler, meaning of the roll. Mousse and mousseline from the French terminology, from the French, the meaning is fourth. The tumbler from English terminology is called tambly. Then what are the different types of force meat? There are many type of force meat, farce and stuffing. They are used the variety of way for making the quinoline smooth, mousseline, pate, galantine, for the stuffing of breast of lamb or veal or poultry, game, fish and vegetables and egg. These kind of varieties of whatever the varieties we are filled with the for meat is based on the meat we can call the name. Okay, the force meat are made of meat, poultry and close garnished with the fish and finely ground with the pureed with the mix of with the seasoning. For example, fine force meat for quinoline, for galantine, mousseline force meat, for pate, fish, quinolines force meat with panada. These are different types of force meat. Okay, what are the components of force meat? First one is meat. It is a major components of the force meat. The type of meat included pork, veal, beef, poultry, fish, lamb, and game. The pork is often include the force meat because of pork has a natural flavor that can easily take in the flavor of the dominant meat. It is also high degree of water retention which aid in the productions of moist force meat. Pork is also cheaper than the other meat. So quality of meat will determine the quality of force meat. The body and structure of the product depends upon the meat for the matrix of protein, in which is a fat particles of the force meat is suspended. The variations in the coloring of the force meat is the result of coloring properties of dominant of meat. So we want to avoid the dominant of meat flavor, we can add the pork fat. Then fat. Fat is generally contributed flavor to the force meat. It is also contribute the binding power and texture to the force meat. That purpose only we are adding the fat. Pork fat is considered best as a economical, as a natural flavor and has an ideal melting point for the production of the force meat. The lamb fat and hard and has a strong flavor. Therefore, it is a limited, a few preparations only we can use for the lamb. Rest of the other other preparation we are using the pork fat. Okay. Then egg. The major contributions of the egg is force meat preparation is to give the binding power and form the textures. The egg are not used in the sausage making. It will be not it in the shape. Then garnish. Garnish such as a mushroom, pistachio nut, dried currant may be added in the force meat. After they are prepared, the garnish can be partially cooked. Otherwise, along together the mixtures, we can prepare the garnish. And what are and the thickening agent? One of the common thickening agent used in the force meat is called panada. We never use thickening agent, it's called panada. It is a paste prepared for the flour, bread, rice, and other starch product. It is added for the three reasons for adding the panada. The first one is a binding purpose. The second one is a product lighter. And third one is contributing the seasoning for the force meat. These three reason only we are adding the panada. Then seasoning. If curing salt is added for the force meat, then it has a dull color. That is fix the processed meat color and inhibit the growth of bacteria. Spicy are normally reasonable for the distinctive flavor characteristics of the various force meat. the force meat category is a meat, binder, seasoning, additives. This is a 4 components. Okay. The meat is a lean pork we are used to, sometimes a pork fat also is. The seasoning is a flavoring can use to, and for the garnish purpose we are used. Okay, what is a panada? It is a paste prepared from flour, bread, rice, and other starch product. It is applies for the force meat. There are 5 types of panada we are used in the Godmonger department. For example, bread panada, flour panada, and fragbi pani panada, and rice panada, potato panada. Okay, panada, it is instant to be added for the force meat for 3 primary reasons. Already the panada, what we want to use, the 3 reason. Here, the force meat for the 3 primary reason only we can use. It aid in binding the fat. The second one, lightness in the density of the product. Third one is contribute the seasoning of the product. Okay, these 3 reason only we are adding the panada. Then compound butter. What is a compound butter? The mixture of butter and supplementary ingredient. Primarily, they are used in enhancing the flavor in various dishes. In fashion similar to the sauce, compound butter can be made at home or purchased commercial purpose. I was seeing the picture, no? This is a different herbs, different flavor of compound butter. Then what are the uses of compound butter? Compound butter is used as a flavor enhancer for the force meat, vegetables, and baked food. Discover the top compound butter recipes ideas for the steak, turkey, corn, fish, chicken, and bread. This is a compound butter uses for the particular dish. Okay, how to make a compound butter? Compound butter add complexity to your dish, but making a compound butter is very simple. The compound butter is usually served in the chilled round. The easiest way to make a compound butter is a creamy your ingredients together, adopt the pungent and wax paper. This allow you roll your compound butter to sausage shape. Once shaped, chill your compound butter, remove your compound butter from the fridge and to slice and serve to the guest or serve to the plate. And what is a marinade? A marinade is seasoned liquid with the various aromatic in which meat, poultry, game, and even vegetables are steeped. The marinade are made up of the following components, for example, oil, acid, aromatic, and seasoning. Oil could be olive oil, peanut oil, salad oil, plain refined oil. Flavored oil such as a garlic oil, chili oil, and herbs flavored oil can also be used. The oil in the marinade help to prevent the moistness of the loss. We want to maintain the moistness. So that purpose only we can add oil. Then acid. A whole range of acid product can be added into the marinade. For example, citrus fruit, vinegar, lemon juice, yogurt, red or white wine are generally used. These are all acid we can use in the marination purpose. Then aromatic, such as herbs and spices, properties are also used for the marination purpose. Then last, seasoning. Primarily the salt, sea salt, black salt, garlic salt, and rock salt. Last one is a grain salt also used for the marination purpose. Okay, what are the functions of marinade? To add a flavor and a taste to the food, when only their flavor and instead of the aromatic can be tight in the sachet to be removed after the flavor has been released. All marinated meat must be dried properly before use. Wet meat will be not browned properly. Then what are the length of the time for marination depends upon the several factors. Like first one is the type of meat or foodstuff. Beef will take a longer than the chicken to marinate. Also, the cut of meat is very, very, very important. The size and the thicken and the shape. The tenderloin will need very little marinating time compared to the rump. The size of the time items, the leg of pork will take longer than the leg of chicken. For example, if a leg of chicken, it will take more time, and leg of pork is taking very less time. The temperature, the food marinate best at a temperature, room temperature. However, at the time, refrigeration will be required if the items being kept overnight. If any case, a fish has to be marinated at the refrigerated temperature normally. Rest of the other meat, we can use it in the room temperature. Some marinade are cooked or other are uncooked. A cooked marinade, because of it is a heater, allowed to aromates to release their full flavor. The raw marinated are ideal for long-term period. In the both cases, the marinating should be done in the non-corrosive container, such as a glass or stainless steel, to avoid the plastic and aluminum. Otherwise, the plastic and aluminum, the marination flavor will be incorporate. What are the uses of marinade? It is enhance the flavor by having the object being a marinade absorb some of the marinade. For example, tenderized meat, short-term meat preservation. Then how to storage the marinade? A cooked marinade is best stored under the refrigeration and has a long shelf life. Uncooked marinade should be prepared in the instant use only. If the necessary, this should be kept in the refrigerator. Okay, now we can go for the brine. A wet cure is also called a brine, although the brine literally means a salt solution. The brining is also a method of curing and preservation and can be achieved by any of the following methods: steeping method, injection method, or spraying method. This is a preparation of the brine solution. That means salt with water. So brine solution is called a brine solution. And in steeping method, the food items is immersed the brine solution for the period of time, turning over occasionally if you need. Otherwise, you can keep for the soaking purpose to ensure being the brining, even brining. Next is injection method. Injections involve the brine pump wherein the brine is injected directly into the muscles fiber, thereby reducing the time it takes to achieve the curing or salting. Then spraying brining method is when the brine solution is sprayed by the injection at the several points is the muscles at the same time. This method is evenly faster than the injection method. Injection method we can use for spread over the brine solution for all the places to covered and get the good preservative method. But injection method, we can preserve the inner part of the meat. This is a different. Then salt and pickling brine method. The meat contains about 75% of water. It is a form of inter and intracellular liquid distributed all over the tissues. This liquid contains the several substances such as a mineral salt, protein, amino acid, and lactic acid. When the meat is contact with the heavily salted brine, and osmotic exchange occur between the meat and the brain. During this exchange, the meat absorbs some of the brain and brain receives some of the meat substances. This process is two-way exchange of very slow and almost never complete. Always the process is happen slightly interact or observe the exchange of order. Then the pH of the brain. The alkalinate acid factors of the meat that is to be salted in the extreme importance of the obtaining the good result. The pH factors is highly influenced by the carbonate in the meat. If the pH is low, it is good for the salted meat, such as a ham and bacon. They have a less tendency to develop the bacteria which cause the spoilage of meat. Meat with a relative high pH, it is ideal for cooked salt meat, such as a sausage, cooked ham, pate, and galantine. They retain the soft pink color that is ideal for presentation. Meat having a relatively high acidity will take to darken color. Then sugar in the brine solution. Within the recent year, the techniques of sweet salt product have started to become popular in the industry. It is important to add a small amount of sugar, preferably brown, with the brine of a milder taste. Sugar also acts as a meat tenderizer during the marination. So that purpose only we can add the sugar brine solution. Then aroma and spicing of the brine solution. The brine should never having a strong or bad odor. On the contrary, it should have a pleasant smell and appetizing the aroma to the meat. How to storage the brine solution? The brine should be stored in the non-corrosive containers such as a steel, enamel, and glass to avoid the aluminum and plastic. Fix a tap of the base on the brine container so that it can be drained easily. The strictest rule of hygiene must be applied to ensure the bacteria growth is minimized. Do not bare hand and put a pre-washed meat into the brine solution. Brine can be used up to 4 times. And what are the method of mixing the brine? Heat water to boil the point, but it is not necessary to keep it boiling. Add all the ingredients except the spices and herbs. Skim on top of the liquid. The stir frequently to cool down the brine and dissolve the ingredient. Strain thoroughly through tummy to act the tenderize and break down the connective tissues by the acid and marinade. Then to add the preservative, tie the aromatic, the sachet, and add the brine in the next day. This is a two stage, that means 2 categories, 2 method of mixing the brine solution. Then introduction of aspic and jelly. Aspic and jelly play an important part of the preparation of many cold dishes that are created the gourmand. Glistening coating or sparkling the base help to highlight the dish that are being presented. Proper presentation and application as aspic and jelly are essential to assure the maximum impact of large pieces of meat or fish. There are certain amount of confusion related to the term aspic and jelly, and very often they are used interchangeably, and the same confusion prevail when the term aspic and aspic jelly are used. Aspic and aspic jelly and jelly are three different items. They will be make and the attempt of distinguish the three. Aspic. Aspic jelly must always be crystal clear and of a light golden color. The quantity of gelatin used in the aspic jelly should be of the correct proportions so that the jelly when set will neither be too rubbery or not too light consistency. Moreover, the aspic jelly provides a special protection for the cold dish. A display of poultry, fish, game, or similar the ingredient when coated with the aspic jelly will keep the freshness and original flavor whenever the covered the aspic jelly. The making of fresh aspic is elaborate process and modern kitchen the fairly time consuming. Then jelly. A jelly or jelly in English is a gelatinous meat or fish stock. A jelly become a aspic jelly when it is a clarified. The word aspic is used for refer the combinations of cold meat, fish, vegetables, or egg, which are the set in the aspic jelly to decorative mold. When thoroughly chilled, the arrange is demolded into the service platter and perhaps the sounded with the aspic jelly croutons. Then charred fried. Charred fried is hot and cold. The translator literally means hot and cold. This name is referred to the fact of sauces is cooked and applied to hot, but the served chilled and served cold. The high gelatin content of sauces make it possible to apply to it. The items will still warm and flavoring. As the sauces cool, it gel and adheres to product. It gives a smooth, pristine surface and seal the product from the air. The charred fried is a sauce that applied to a product and never served as with the accompaniment or used to cook the light other sauces. What are the types of charred fried? There are primary method preparing the charred fried or classical and contemporary method. That means classical method and contemporary method. Then sauces. The liquid or semi-liquid mixtures that is added to food as a cook or that is served with it. The sauces provide a flavor, moistures, and contrast textures and color. They may also serve as a medium which food is contained. For example, the velouté sauce and creamed chicken. Then sauces a recipe. Sauces is a flavor cooked, usually thickened liquid used to season other food. It adds richness, moistness, flavor, and color and brightness also. The sauces is a liquid which has an thickened with the roux, starch, puree marine, egg, yolk, and license. Okay, dear students, we learned today force meat, Valentine, terrain, pate, and marinated and brine solution, how to prepare a brine solution, how to preserve the brine solution, what are the different types of brine solution available in the industry, what is the purpose of we are adding the brine solution. And the sauce, how to prepare sauce, what is the purpose of sauce we are making, how to prepare the sauce and uses. So these categories, this topic we are learned. If any doubt, you can chat with the chat box. Okay, you can see in the next class. Thank you very much, my dear students. We'll see you next class. Thank you.